Hi everyone, this is Prachi and you're watching my channel Hi on Fashion. So on this channel I'll be making videos on dress up, makeup and fashion. This is my first video, so I'm very excited and I would highly appreciate if you'll take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit on the bell icon below. So today I'll be doing an Myntra haul with you all. So let's get started. Let's start with this dark blue top. So this top is from a company named Vinny Video or something like that. I've mentioned the details below. Also, I'll attach the photos and videos also, so you can see this top looks on me. Trust me, this is very stylish top. This is a one shoulder crop top. So it has really got very good fitting. Talking about the fabric that is being used is polyester. I guess yes, it is polyester. And if you really want comfy tops, I won't recommend you to go for this because the fabric is not very comfortable at all. Yes, but if you're going for parties and you just want to hang out, something like that, this top is very good and you'll get some really amazing pictures on this top because the color is very pretty. I don't know how much the camera is capturing and all, but this top looks very good on me. I'll surely attach photo video so that you can get a look at how. Now also the length is very good. Yeah, and this is very inexpensive as well. To the second top, we have this orange top which is from a brand called Avari. Yeah, Amari. So this is such a poppy color and this top is such a cute top and it really looks very beautiful on me. I'll surely attach a photo and video so that you can have a look on how this top looks on me. So yeah, the material is very stretchable. As you can see, it's very stretchable, but yeah, material is not that comfortable. I didn't find it so comfortable, but yes, it's good for partying and all. And if you just want to hang out with your friends, or you just want to go out, or yeah, any sort of that thing. So this top is very good. Such a pretty top, but yeah, I was a bit uncomfortable wearing this top because I don't prefer such material. The fabric that has been used is polyester. This is stretchy, yeah, right? So it will fit you. Yeah, but the length is not that good. This is a very short length crop top. Also, I'd say this was very inexpensive at the same time. I got it just for rupees 480, 490 something. So this is not very costly, so you can definitely go for this top. This is a very pretty beautiful top and it will definitely look very good on you. So the third top is from a brand called Berry-Lash. Let me show you. It is a very beautiful top in the color ice blue. I don't know how much the camera is capturing, but this is a very beautiful color. It has really got some very attractive sleeves. So basically this is a crop top. The length is also very good and the fabric is also very good. It is also something in between cotton and polyester, but trust me, it's very comfortable and very wearable. Also, it looks very stylish. This was very inexpensive at the same time. I got it for 400 something, yeah, but this top looks bomb on me. Trust me, this, you can see the sleeves. This is how it looks. The fourth top is also from the same brand and two tops of the same pattern. So let me just show you. This is in the color wine red. You can see the stylish sleeves. This top. Now this is also a crop top. It has got really good length. The fabric is also very good. It is something in between polyester and cotton. But yeah, it is very comfortable, very wearable, and yes, the length is also very good, so you can easily wear it on any high waist jeans or high waist skirt like that. But it looks very stylish. You can see my pictures and you can figure out that how good it was looking on me. And I got some really good pictures in this top. Now the fifth off-shoulder shirt. Like this is a very attractive top and it looks very beautiful after wearing it. Trust me, the material is something between silk and satin, but it looks very pretty on me and it will definitely look very good on anyone. You can see the sleeves. Now this is a complete off-shoulder top, as you can see, but now this is top for around 700 to 800, but you can get this top on promotion because Myntra often runs decent promotions, some really good decent promotions. This beautiful pink dress, as you can see, this is such a pretty color and such a decent and sophisticated dress. This was also not very expensive. It was around something 800 or 900, but this is such a beautiful dress. It's got such a beautiful the fabric that has been used is polyester, I guess. Yeah, it is polyester, but this dress has got very good length. So and also this is very comfortable, very easy breezy kind of dress. So you can easily wear it on any occasion, on your family occasions, or if you are just hanging out with friends, or you're going somewhere going at dinner somewhere like that. You can easily wear this dress. This is a very comfortable dress. And last but not the least, we have this classy black dress. As you can see, this is a very sophisticated and classy black dress which can easily be worn at any family function or any corporate function. This is a very easy to go, very classy, at the same time very stylish kind of dress. Yeah, the material that is being used is also polyester here. Very comfortable, very easy to go. So this dress is expensive. It was something around 800. Done with the clothing, I would like to mention something, that Myntra has never disappointed me whenever I have ordered any sort of thing from them, whether it has been the quality of the product or the delivery services. The delivery service which Myntra offers is very quick, and also the fabric of the product with the quality of the product has always been good. So in the end, I would like to inform you that there are some really amazing promotions going on Myntra, Purple, Nykaa. So I would really recommend you to check these apps, as you can get some really amazing promotions there. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.